Good afternoon. It's September the 9th, 2020, and our time here is 12 o'clock and 17 minutes. We are doing today our second point class. And as I said, we are starting really from the top. So we are starting with how to put our shoes on. And you see behind me, Sarah, Sanne. Then you get Isis, and Isis is a little injured because she was with the doctor. She had a little, what is it, warts. And so it's too painful to put on point shoes today. And then we have Ezra, and Ezra is doing point shoes also. So we are going to the center, taking our point shoes, because it's very important to put them very neat at your feet. And Sanne is her premiere on point shoes, so it's really the first time she is wearing them. So you sit on one knee, and you take the point shoe you want to get in front of your foot. And it should be really in the same line as your foot. Then remember, the center of your foot is between the first and the second toe. Yes, do this protector inside your tight. So it's very comfortable to have the tights with a hole under the foot. So, because this protector should not wrinkle, otherwise you get blazes. Okay, so look, the center. Now you take the point shoes, the back side in two hands, and you're sliding in your foot. And you see Sanne has this gummy, this elastic around, so the heel doesn't slip away. When you've got that, when you've done that, and look, Ezra has a cross on her foot, that's also a very good system to keep the point shoe at your foot, because he should not slip away. Yes. And now on the point, go on the point with this foot. Yes. And now really feel you are in the center. Well, yes. So when you are you're going down again. And then we start with the inside ribbon, wrapping around the ankle. Really, but not too high, just above your ankle. Because it has to support your movement. Okay? And again, one more, Sanne. Yes. Now the other one is crossing over, and you should do it very neat, so you have a little triangle between the cross and the ribbon above. You can see it with Sarah. It's a little fuzzy, but it is right. Yes. And never make the knot on your Achilles, because you can get injured by that. So in this inside of your, yes, look, Sarah is showing. There. And after that you have to hide it. You really have to hide it. And that's the thing. In the beginning, and that's very difficult. Yes, people in the beginning. Which camera do I have now, Paul? This one. 3. Okay. So you can see it very well if you are ready. Yeah, if you're ready. But Sanne is not yet ready because her drawstring is hanging out. And this drawstring has a function. This drawstring is to keep the shoe around your foot. It should not gap. Because when you have a shoe that can move, you can do, it disturbs your movement, and you can get blazes of it because you are going in and out with your foot. Yes. No, okay. Take the drawstring And be careful not getting in the way, always pulling them crossed. Always pulling them crossed, not opening, crossed. Otherwise it can break. Yes, crossed. And then as near, as narrow as you can, you make a knot, or what is een strik? Knot. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, the ribbon is het lint. And the drawstring is what she's doing now. Yes, that's fine. Yes, when you have a friend, you can give your index finger on it. Yes. Yes, for the first time you make this, but later on, if you are used to it, you make a knot, and then this knot is staying. And then you have to get this drawstring, yes, this loop, has to get in again. Oh, it's a fuzzy thing, yes.
Oh, dit is een strik.
Knit, okay. So first times you do a knit, and when you are used to it and you know the place and how narrow it should be, you make a knot. And then you have this knot for the rest of the time. Sarah's already ready. So you see the first time, it's quite a job, quite a heavy job. But we are patient. How far are you, Ezra? Look, and Ezra has gainer minden points. And they have this drawstring at the inside that's very comfortable. So you can get from this drawstring here spots that are not feeling very well of it. On the bones, yes. Can be painful. Everything what wrinkles and what is not flat can injure your foot. So realize that and be neat. Now you're taking the second one. And also, when you have very much pain and you think, now I'm going to cry, put off the shoes. Because when you are painful, you are contracting and you are doing these things not right as it should, because you are contracting your muscles. So don't go on when it's painful. And when you buy pointe shoes, it is very, very, very important to go to a professional and to try everything on and give good advice. So buying pointe shoes on the internet you only can do when you know which ones you need. Yeah. Yeah. First the inside ribbon and wrapping around the ankle. One more. Yes. And get it, this little triangle. Sarah, show it in the camera. Camera 3. Oh. Oh, this one. Look. There you see, this little triangle should be there. But putting on pointe shoes, you need really time. There she is again. Nice. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, that's nice. You're doing well, Sanne. Don't get nervous. You get the time. At home they need the time too. So with pointe shoes, you have to be very patient. Don't hurry with pointe shoes. It's from the utmost importance that the shoes are on the right way at your feet, that you have no wrinkles in it. And it is the protection of your ankles and your toes too.